Oh, saan si Joya?
May nalukit ka daw.
Ikaw?
Ako pala.
Pare! Ikaw ang Joya muna.
Chess Master!
So, Joya, we're gonna go at a fast pace, okay?
Ano yun?
Fast
Bilis.
pace daw, bilis.
Okay.
As soon as you guys are done, then I'll go. While I go, you guys rest.
Okay.
And then go again.
Okay.
Okay? But this is just the thing where you just do crunches on the front, crunch side, and cross your legs to the lower. Can you do 30?
I'll
Sali
try.
ako dyan.
I'll try.
Digo, you're gonna do 30.
Dito ako.
Hindi, usod ka lang.
Oh, no, Dean, go with me. Dean, just go with me.
Aman.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo siya.
Laban kayong dalawa. Bahala ko.
Alright, ready?
Ready para sa...
Alright.
30?
30. Try to do 30. Go, Bigo. Or 20, Joya.
Ah, balik pala.
Yeah. Bilis, bilis. If you want, just walk first.
How yung position ko? Tama.
Can you do 30? Okay, ready? 1.
Lakad mo po.
Ready? Go.
Baliktad.
Ngayon mo ko pala yung kasi nagpupeo kanina. Hindi ako nakapag-water.
Ready? Go.
Sinadya ko yan kasi nakapwes kasi yan.
Cross the legs. Ready? Go. Joya, Bigo. Mamaya ako. Ikaw. Gusto mo kain muna or? Huh? Oh, go, go. If you want to eat, go. Mamaya ako. Tabi kayo sa iyo.
Yes. Ito ba kain ulit? Joya.
Ready? Same thing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bro, yung friend ko yung tulog ko. Sino gusto?
Akala ko ano, yung itlog ba? Akala ko ibibigay.
Go.
Ah! Sakit!
Yeah, are you ready? Go. That's nice. Ready? Go.
Makikita mo yung malaking sugat. So, kung siya yan yung ano, kapatid bago, kukunin nila yun.
Feeling ko sa Friday to. Before yung
Stretch. Can you do one more set? One more?
Yeah!
Parang pwede siya i-